foot. Okay.
How is that oh, okay. I thought you meant like in real life. You're just like, how is that possible?
Okay. Hi, guys. Oh my god.
Hi.
So
we're gonna do a fashion show because we feel like it and deal with it.
And Bonnie, I don't know.
Who's Bonnie?
She's right behind you.
Oh. Sucker. So you guys will be the judges, and comment down below whose pets do you think look the best.
Okay, pull out your first pet. Now.
What's the theme first?
What should it be? I don't know.
Let's do a theme generator thingy.
Where's the teams? How about we ask somebody in chat?
Nah, I'm too socially awkward. Well, I'm virtually awkward. I don't like talking to people.
Okay, yeah, nobody speaks our language. So nobody speaks English.
Yeah, I'll just use a theme generator. So excuse that really weird noise that you might hear.
So she's gonna do that, and yeah. The theme is summer, so yeah.
Let's get to work, y'all.
Trying to enter this. Theme is summer. Okay, I don't know what was with the exclamation points, but like, yeah.
What pet should I use for this theme?
I'm gonna go over here because I'm gonna go. Okay, I'm gonna use a pet that's kind of
Yes, I have to.
Okay, we're gonna use a pet that's kind of like, I don't know. We're gonna use this one. We're gonna use him. Perfect. Okay, we're gonna use this little dude. And we're gonna guess. Okay, I should draw him first. Oh, that sounds mean. Okay. Okay, let's see what I can do. Okay, so I don't have much stuff, but I do have stuff. So maybe like these glasses, cause like it's cute.
I don't know how to dress them up. I don't have that many summer items.
There's nothing really summery.
Like I have this.
This could be kind of summery, like protecting. Oh, that's so cute! Look at this, guys. It's so cute. Okay, we're doing that. Okay, this is cute. We're gonna do that too. No, shut up. You're not thirsty. That was.
He's totally not.
Look at that. Okay, that's perfect.
Okay, I think I'm done.
Yeah. I'm gonna use this. Okay.
I didn't have that many summer items to use, so I just did what I could.
Yeah, I'm done. You're probably gonna win this. He doesn't look that good.
Where are we gonna meet?
In front of the big purple book. No, just in the center. Just in the center.
Okay then. Oh, now my toucan's thirsty.
Oh my god.
Oh, she looks adorable.
Look at Peep. Look at him.
Peep.
I'm gonna buy another one of these butterflies because I can.
Are you gonna, Camille, do you have a drink? Because my toucan's thirsty.
Yeah, I do.
Give me.
Oh my gosh, chill out. Everybody always asks me for drink because everybody knows I always have a drink.
Yeah, I know. Peep looks really adorable.
Peep!
Thank you.
Did you... Peep, what did you do? Okay, whatever.
Okay, my toucan's not thirsty anymore. Next theme, y'all.
We're gonna put my peeps away. Pup, you will know.
Okay.
Okay. What's the next theme? So the next theme is winter. I don't know why they're all seasons. The generator she's using is weird, but like, okay.
Maybe it was just like a weird coincidence. Oh, I got this. I got a lot of winter pets.
We're gonna use this because we need it. Okay. I'm gonna go. Oh, there's someone random here. Now we don't know who that is. Sorry, we're not rich enough to
just
have
leave them be, it's fine.
we're not rich enough to have a private server.
And like they were free for like 2 days and then they just got back to being expensive.
We're gonna use this one. We're gonna use it. No, we're gonna use this one. I don't know why her name's like yeah, whatever. Or should I use Snow Puma? No. Okay, we're gonna use the Snow Puma. Alright. Gonna do this one. No, this is even more wintry. Because this, no, I'm doing this one because this one. Let's go.
I'm doing this cat.
This is gonna look cute. You guys are the judge of this, so yeah. Just letting you know that. Okay, no, these colors don't match. So sorry. These colors do not match. We're gonna have this one. A spray pen. Can't even see it, so what's the point? No, we're gonna take this scarf off. Yeah, no, we're gonna put the scarf back. We're gonna take the brown one off and put the white one on because it matches purple more. And we're gonna do
Okay, I'd say I'm done now.
yeah, same. I couldn't find anything else. Oh, she looks really bad. Whatever.
I used my neon snow cat.
Oh, I used a snow cat too, but it's not neon, so you're gonna get up on that. No fair. Okay, come. Oh my gosh, they look the same.
Well, mine has glasses.
Mine has a scarf. Whatever. Okay, guys, you guys are the judge of which one, and you get a look at her.
If you guys want to get a better look at Sinon, here she is.
There we go. Look at her. It's Snowball. Snowball's normal. Disgrace. You go hide away.
Oh, I forgot you had. Okay. Next theme.
Yeah. Cause yeah. Okay, guys. So the theme is rainbow. We gotta do some rainbow.
Damn, a Mega Neon would have been so useful at this one.
Oh yeah. You don't know how mad I am right now. Oh, I have an advantage to this.
Oh, do you have a Mega Neon?
No, I don't. But I do have a unicorn that's neon.
Oh, you still have her?
Yeah.
Nobody's
taking her from me, so I'm like, okay. Alright, here we go. Because we share her. She's like everybody.
Rainbow Twinkle in honor of Rainbow Sprinkles and Twinkle.
Rainbow Sparkle! No, it's actually Rainbow Firework. It was Rainbow Firework. I'm dumb.
I'm gonna use my owl. I don't have that many rainbow pets or like colorful pets, so I'm just gonna use my owl.
I'm gonna do this. This is cute. Okay, I guess. Yeah, I guess. This is not looking good. This does not look good. You poor little child. I'm so sorry you have to suffer through this. Why are we still here?
Oh my god, this looks so weird.
She looks cute. Okay, I'm
no, not that.
I'm done. She's beautiful.
Wait, I'm gonna put it on because I think it just looks adorable. Actually, no. Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm done. Let's meet up.
I'm ready. Hi.
Hi.
How do I stop riding? Whatever.
Quick stop ride.
Oh yeah, I'm done.
I have a rainbow pen. Use the transgender one. This is the gay one.
Dang it!
Aha, aha, aha. Okay, next theme.
Okay, we're gonna see what the next theme is. We have to.
It is pool party.
Okay.
I got an idea for this one. I'm gonna use my owl again just because I want to.
Okay, I have a perfect pet for this. He's my most used model.
Model?
Yeah, he's my model. Where is he? Haha. Come, my little lady. Actually, no. I'm gonna use this. We're gonna use this one. Please. Because, Okay. I don't have that many pet kind of bad things, but I'm gonna use these because that's cute. I have nothing else. What else am I supposed to do? This is kind of cool.
Okay, I'm done.
These are cool, pretty colors, right?
I'll just wait here with Hedwig once you're finished. To wait for you until you're finished.
Oh, that's cute. Okay. Ooh, perfect. Sorry, I'm taking a long time, but whatever. I'm gonna take this.
No one really cares, but who cares? No one really cares, but who cares?
Okay, she looks exceptional. No, I'm taking it off. She looks terrible.
Are you ready?
She looks like garbage. Like actual garbage. Okay, she looks better. Okay, there you go. I'm done.
Okay, let's meet up.
How civilized. She runs down the stairs.
Oh, well.
Where's your pin? No! You disgrace. Put it on. Good girl.
Do you like him?
Wait, let me... Oh, yes, I do. Where did you... He looks so cute.
What were you gonna ask?
I was like about to ask where you got those glasses, but then I remembered they were from a long time.
He's got a pool floaty as well.
Cool.
If you guys want to know what the pool floaty is, it's actually just a red collar.
Yeah.
But if you said that it was a pool floaty, then I'm pretty sure I'd believe you.
Okay.
Oh, these are really cute.
Who won this round? Probably her, because hers looks better. But anyways.
Fabulous Hedwig. Oh, yes.
Alright, so...
Do some tricks.
I think... oh my gosh.
Do some flips.
Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys want a part 2, we can always do a part 2. That's totally perfect. We can do a part 2. We don't care. So if you guys enjoyed this video, yeah, thank you for watching. And yeah, we're gonna fly off the edge now because yeah. Alright, so just thanks. Now bye because bye.